So then I have these wonderful tuning forks, the solfeggio frequencies. So this is a clearing for you, Tiffany, and anyone else who is having a block with their crown chakra or their first eye chakra. So Nuki, I am illumination. Nuki, I am illumination. I'm connected to the divine. So when I do these like sound healing, even though I'm doing them on myself, I'm doing it on your behalf. And so energy doesn't know the difference between time and space. So you are getting the benefits from me doing this work. It's amazing. And then we have the tone for the first eye chakra. Nukmar, I am at peace. Nukmar,